Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So since St. Patty's Day is coming up, I thought I would do a green look, all green. If you like this look and you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Hey guys, okay, so I'm using the Lorac Mega 4 Pro palette for this, and I'm starting off with Lieutenant Sage. It's a pale pastel green, and I'm putting that into my crease. It's really, really light in pigment, so I'm really taking my time in building it up. And then next I'm taking a small tapered blending brush in the shade Mocha, which is a deep caramel color, and I'm tucking that pretty deep into my crease on my outer corner, and I'm just kind of buffing it out and using small circular motions. Then I'm using the brush I used with Lieutenant Sage just to buff out the edges of Mocha. And then I'm taking Lagoon, which is a deep black base teal, and it is a shimmer, so I'm using a dome brush to pack it onto the outer half of my eye. It's really, really, really delicate. It gets destroyed when you try and wet it. It just ruins the shimmer, so I would suggest doing it dry and just really take your time packing it on. And then I'm using a small fluffy brush just to blend out the edges. But as you can see, it took off a lot of the shimmer, so I went back in and I packed some more of Lagoon on. Next, I took a small lay down brush and I put Pearl Slate onto the inner half of my eye, and I did wet this shade. And I decided to put Honey on top. It's a light gold shade, and I just thought that since it's St. Patty's Day, a gold would be more fitting. So that's why I decided to put Honey on top. And I also wet Honey. And then I took the brush that I used with Lagoon just to buff those colors together. Finally, I'm taking Moss on a small buffing brush, and I'm putting that underneath my eye, underneath my lower lashes, and this color just flew everywhere into my eyeball. It hurt pretty bad, so I ended up wetting it. It is a shimmer, so I would say definitely wet it if you're going to use it. And then I took a gold highlighter and I put that into my inner corner. Just use any pretty translucent gold shade. On my lips, I put the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in Dark Forest. It's a really pretty deep emerald, and I thought it was perfect for this look. But if you want to tone it down, this look would also be beautiful with a nude or glossy lip. So that's it for this look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this, more like holiday inspired looks, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, if you want to see more of my content, subscribe also down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!